Welcome to Amazing 7. And today, we are counting down our picks for the 7 most stunning futuristic cars you must watch. From slim futuristic vehicles to science fiction flying cars. Some of these cars look like props taken right off of the set from a high-budget space-age movie. Even though some of these cars maybe even make it to the market near future. It's awesome to explore the amazing high-tech sleek designs. This list of futuristic vehicles is for all the dreamers out there that like to imagine what kind of cars will be available in the future. These are the 7 futuristic cars you must watch. Number 7. Cadillac Inner Space Concept. Cadillac expanded its vision of personal autonomous future mobility with the Inner Space Concept, a dramatic 2-passenger electric and autonomous luxury vehicle, leveraging cutting-edge technologies designed to enhance the passenger experience along with the increased personal time enabled by fully autonomous mobility. Inner Space grows the Cadillac Halo concept portfolio of vehicles envisioned to not only move passengers in a luxurious environment but enhance their well-being. The Cadillac Halo concept portfolio represents future possibilities with a range of personal autonomous options and advanced connecting vehicles future. The vehicles of the Cadillac Halo concept portfolio are designed to provide effortless travel through extraordinary means, say Brian Nesbitt, GM Executive Director Global Advanced Design and Global Architecture Studio. They are visions for the next decade and beyond, showing the possibilities enabled by General Motors' comprehensive approach to autonomous drive technology with the goal of a world with zero crashes, zero emissions and zero congestion. Number 6. Lincoln Model L100. Lincoln sets its sight on what's ahead with the debut of the Lincoln Model L100, a concept with aero influence, styling and advanced technology that creates the immersive interior sanctuary of tomorrow. Paying homage to the 1922 Model L, Lincoln's first luxury vehicle, the Model L100 concept takes inspiration from the brand's design heritage while advancing its vision for mobility in the future. Celebrating 100 years of Lincoln, the Model L100 takes center stage this week at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, where the Lincoln is the feature marquee. Lincoln has been one of the most enduring and stylish automotive brands in the world, and in many ways, it is perfectly positioned for a second century defined by great design, zero emissions and technology-led experiences, say Bill Ford, Executive Chair, Ford Motor Company. Lincoln has always been special to me and my family, especially my father and my grandfather. If there is one secret to Lincoln's longevity, it is the brand's ability to balance its core values with a desire to innovate and create the future. Number 5. Mercedes AVTR. The name of the groundbreaking concept vehicle stands not only for the close collaboration in developing the show car together with the Avatar team but also for advanced vehicle transformation. This concept vehicle embodies the vision of Mercedes-Benz designers, engineers and trend researchers for mobility in the distant future. With its 4 high-performance and near-wheel built electric motors, the Vision AVTR embodies a particularly agile implementation of the vision of a dynamic luxury saloon. With a combined engine power of more than 350 kW, the Vision AVTR sets a new benchmark for EQ power. Thanks to the intelligent and fully variable torque distribution, the power of the 4 fully individually controllable motors is not only managed in the best possible way in terms of driving dynamics, but above all in a highly efficient manner. The innovative all-wheel drive and torque vectoring enables completely new freedoms and guarantees driving dynamics at the highest level while at the same time providing the best possible active safety. This means that each wheel can be driven separately and depending on the driving situation. Due to the possibility to drive the front and rear axles simultaneously or in opposite ways, the Vision AVTR can move sideways by approx 30 degrees in contrast to conventional vehicles. The so-called crab movement gives the concept vehicle a reptile-like appearance when in its movement. Number 4. Hyperion XP1. With over 2000 horsepower and 1000 miles of range, the Hyperion XP1 paints a near-ideal image of hydrogen fuel cell technology. Hyperion XP1, built by an Ohio-based startup, the FCEV sports car first made its public appearance at the Los Angeles Auto Show in 2022. Its cartoonishly futuristic design made sure it stood out from the rest, and yet its styling was relatively modest compared to the task it was sent to achieve. More than just a concept car, Hyperion built the XP1 to announce that fuel cells were in fact the proper alternative to ICEs. Number 3. GAC Barchetta. Design studio GAC Design recently unveiled their car concept GAC Barchetta, an electric sports car that redefines the meaning of minimalism quite literally. The design team has opted for a roofless car design and has taken out the windshield. When the sports car is not in use, it almost resembles a lush maroon table with its flat and glistening surface. The wheels often take the center stage and their hollow inside and triangular steel bars anchor on the side. For the design team, GAC Barchetta is an innovative where they mixed inspiration from Italian car design and stylish cues from their in-house concepts. GAC Barchetta is the first in the GAC car culture series of the design studio, which recently opened its doors in the design district of Milan in Via Tortona. The design team writes on their site that the main concept of GAC Barchetta is to celebrate efficiency and simplicity. At first glance, the modern design testifies to their statement, which is divided into 3 parts. The chassis is flattened and contains compact batteries similar to the concept of a giant mobile phone. The body of the sports car comes through the use of mono-material aluminium, which makes it lightweight, simple, and as how the design team describes it, timeless yet very distinctive. Number 2. Audi ActiveSphere. The new Audi ActiveSphere gives off strong Audi RS7 vibes. It's a big 4-door coupe with a pronounced bonnet and a curvy sloping roofline. Unlike the RS7 though, the ActiveSphere is jack-up off-roader. It has a raised ride height, contrasting black cladding around the wheel arches and side skirts. The glass grille at the front is a unique touch as well. More on that later. The rear end gets a full width light bar and a huge glass area. The rear window can also fold up over the roof to create a pickup bed with bike holders. You see, the ActiveSphere has full self-driving technology, so the dashboard and steering wheel can fold away to give you an open cabin while the car whisks you along. You can fold this out when you want to take back control. The ActiveSphere also has a futuristic virtual reality infotainment system. There are headsets in the roof which use augmented reality or AR technology to replace a normal touchscreen. Number 1. Renault Easy Ultimo. A mobile launch for modern times. This is the ideal reference to define Easy Ultimo, the latest concept car unveiled by Renault at the 2018 Paris Motor Show. This autonomous, connected and 100% electric robo-vehicle explores the shared mobility of tomorrow from the emotional side. It's promised to provide you with a premium and immersive mobility experience for a single trip, an hour or a day. Renault Easy Ultimo has a 2-tone bodywork, just opposing deep black with green tones on the lower part with champagne from the upper part. The upper part is made up of 600 diamond-shaped facets treated like a one-way mirror. They filter the view towards the inside of the vehicle to preserve the privacy of the passengers, up to 3 people, while providing a transparent effect inside. The Easy Ultimo cabin is presented as intimate cocoon in which everything is done to make passengers feel like a living room. These top-of-the-range materials are processed in a modern way to meet the requirements of the automotive industry. In particular, they are very thin to limit their weight. Their presence allows passengers to enjoy a relaxing and pleasant living space, a space in which they are offered sophisticated, interactive, and personalized content to enrich their journey and go beyond their simple destination.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.